Shut up, maid. Wow. Just because I'm Filipino, it's a shame you only see Filipinos as maids. Do you know how many professional Filipinos are there around the world, even in first world countries? Nurses, engineers. We also have world-class artists like Bruno Mars, legendary boxers like Manny Pacquiao. But obviously, it's easy for you to stereotype us. Oh yeah, since you mentioned maids, did you know that some nannies are actually educated? Some are graduate teachers or caregivers. And to educate you, helpers have honorable jobs. They hold a great deal of responsibility. Definitely deserve equal respect. Maybe it's time for you to have some Filipino friends. Ay, but then you might not be able to fit in when you discover how smart, talented, friendly, and better their attitudes are compared to yours. Naku, dyan ka na lang sa pinanggalingan mo, ha? Baka hanapin ka ng mga kababayan ko kahit saang lupalop ka mamagtago. Peste.